Hi everyone, this is LeetCode problem number 12, integer to Roman. So in this we are given a number and we are asked to find the Roman corresponding numeral to it. So what we are going to do is that we are going to store the Roman values, not all of them, but yeah, the Roman values, the Roman numeral for each of the biggest values like 1900 and everything. And then what are we going to do is that we are going to iterate through this. So let's say right now my number is 1994 and I'll check. This is my biggest value, right? Like 1000 is the biggest value that I'm taking. And is this less than num? Okay. So is my 1000 less than 1994? Yes, it is less, right? So my biggest value is less than my number. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to append my answer with this value. Okay, the value for 1000 is nothing but m, and now I'm going to subtract my number. So because I have already accounted for 1000, so 1994 minus 1000 is nothing but 994. Okay, now my number is 994. What I'm gonna do, I'm like obviously gonna move to this one. Is my 900 less than number? Yes, it is less than number. Then I'm gonna append my answer with this value, and then again I'm gonna subtract. So 994 minus 900 is nothing but 94. My number becomes 94. I move forward. Is 500 greater than this? No, it is not. Is 400 greater than this? No, it is not. Is 94 greater than this? No. Is 94 greater than 90? Yes, it is. So 94 is definitely greater than 90. So I'm going to append my answer with this value, which is nothing but xc. And now again 94 minus 90 would be nothing but 4. So again I have 4 right now, and I'll again see if it is like, yeah, is 4 greater than 50 and is 4 greater than 40, greater than 10, or greater than 9, or greater than 5, greater than or equal to 4. So yes, it is greater than or equal to 4. So I'm just going to append this to my answer, and then 4 minus 4, I will be left with 0. Now since we were just appending, my answer would be m c m x c I v. So yep, this would be my answer for this question. Let's code this problem and see if it works or not. Okay, so like we had discussed, that will create a map where we will map all the Roman numerals to the integer values. So we'll form a vector pair of integer and string. Okay, and we'll call it map. Okay, so first will be 1000. We'll map this to m. Then we can have 900. 900. Mapping it to cm. Then 500 to d. And then 400 to cd. 400 to cd. 100 to c. 100 to c. 90 to xc. And then 50 to L. 40 to XL, and then 10 to x, 9 to ix, 5 to 5 to v, and then 4 to iv, and then 1 to I. Okay. Now once we have mapped, we'll store our answer in a string called ans. Now what we are going to do is that we will go through this map. Let's say for auto value and symbol, for each value and symbol in my map, what we are gonna do is that, okay, so for the number that I have, we will be given an integer, right? So let's say I have this number. For every number, for the number which is greater than the value which I currently have in map, I'm gonna add that to my answer. Answer would be nothing but my answer, appending it to answer plus the symbol, and then I'm gonna subtract that value from my number. Okay, this is it. I'll keep subtracting and adding the symbol to my answer, and I'm gonna return it, return answer. This was fairly simple. Let's run it. Okay, yeah, with all the test cases passing, let's try submitting it. Okay, cool, the solution is accepted. Thanks everyone for watching.